Welcome to our channel. Everybody is looking for the ultimate truck experience, and today we're diving into why the Ram 1500 might just be the answer. Hold on to your Akubras because the Yanks are invading and they've brought their trucks. The iconic Ram 1500 has finally made its grand entrance down under, and it's here to make a statement. That's right, the legendary Ram 1500 has finally landed on Aussie shores, ready to shake up the ute market. This isn't just another vehicle, it's a revolution on wheels, designed to redefine what you expect from a truck. This ain't no ordinary pickup, mate. This is a full-size American-bred behemoth, packing more power, presence and luxury than anything we've seen down under. With its robust V8 engine, plush interiors and cutting-edge technology, the Ram 1500 is set to turn heads and win hearts. Forget your Hiluxes and Rangers. The Ram 1500 is here to dominate, offering unparalleled performance and comfort. It's not just about size, it's about the complete package. The Ram 1500 is in a league of its own. With its commanding road presence and superior capabilities, it stands tall above the competition. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating rugged terrains, this truck delivers an unmatched driving experience. It's bigger, bolder, and built for the open road. The Ram 1500 is engineered to handle the vast and varied landscapes of Australia, from the sun-soaked coasts to the arid outback. It's a truck that embodies strength and resilience. If you want a truck that can handle anything you throw at it, from towing your boat to conquering the outback, then listen up. The Ram 1500 is equipped with advanced towing capabilities, off-road prowess, and a suite of safety features to ensure you can tackle any adventure with confidence. This is the Ram 1500, and it's about to change the game. Get ready, Australia, because the future of trucks has arrived, and it's more powerful, more luxurious, and more capable than ever before. Now let's talk grunt, the kind of power that makes you feel invincible on the road. You want a truck that can tow? Not just any truck, but one that can handle the heaviest loads with ease. The Ram 1500 laughs in the face of your puny caravans. It's built to dominate, to conquer any towing challenge you throw at it. This beast boasts a brake towing capacity of 4,500 kilograms. That's a staggering amount of weight, enough to tow almost anything you can imagine. That's right, 4.5 tons of pure pulling power. Whether it's a boat, a trailer or a caravan, the Ram 1500 handles it all with unmatched strength. Need to haul your prize-winning bull to the Royal Easter Show? No worries. The Ram 1500 is your reliable partner for any heavy-duty task. Got a massive caravan for your outback adventure? The Ram 1500 is ready to take you and your gear wherever you need to go. The Ram 1500 will tow it without breaking a sweat. From smooth highways to rugged terrains, this truck is built to perform. This truck is built for heavy lifting, and it'll put any other ute to shame. It's not just about power, it's about reliability and performance. Forget about struggling up hills or feeling the strain on the open road. The Ram 1500 makes every journey smooth and effortless. The Ram 1500 makes towing a breeze. It's the ultimate combination of power, performance, and reliability, ensuring you get the job done every time. What makes this Yank tank tick? Well, under the bonnet, you'll find a 3.6-litre twin-turbo V6 petrol engine. This ain't no asthmatic four-banger, mate. This is a proper engine, delivering a hefty 291 kilowatts of power and 556 newton meters of torque. That translates to effortless acceleration and plenty of power on tap, whether you're merging onto the motorway or tackling a steep incline. It's paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, making for a refined and responsive driving experience. Don't let the petrol engine fool you. This thing is built for efficiency as well as power. Now let's address the elephant in the room, or rather the truck in the car park. The Ram 1500 is big, really big. It dwarfs the likes of the Ford Ranger and Toyota Hilux. But this ain't just about size, it's about presence. The Ram 1500 demands attention with its bold, muscular stance and imposing grille. It's a statement on wheels, announcing your arrival with authority. But size isn't everything, right? Well, in the world of trucks, it certainly counts for something, especially when it comes to interior space. Section 5, Inner Sanctum, where luxury meets ruggedness. Step inside the Ram 1500 and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's as luxurious as it is rugged. Forget about hard plastics and utilitarian design. The Ram 1500 is all about comfort and refinement. High-quality materials abound, from the soft-touch dashboard to the plush leather seats. The spacious cabin offers ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making those long journeys a breeze. But it's not all about comfort. The Ram 1500 is packed with technology as well. Section 6. A bold statement, exterior design and durability. Let's be honest, the Ram 1500 is a bit of a looker. It's got that classic American truck design with its big, bold grille, muscular haunches and imposing stance. It's a truck that means business, but it's not just about looks. The Ram 1500 is built to last. The body is made from high-strength steel, and the chassis is designed to withstand the toughest conditions. Whether you're hauling heavy loads or tackling rough terrain, the Ram 1500 can handle it. This is a truck that's built for work and play. Section 7. Built for work and play towing and off-roading prowess. We've already talked about the Ram 1500's impressive towing capacity. But what about its off-road capabilities? Well, this ain't no pavement princess. The Ram 1500 is just as comfortable off the beaten track as it is on the open road. With its high ground clearance, four-wheel drive system, and locking differentials, the Ram 1500 can tackle even the most challenging terrain. Whether you're navigating a muddy track or crossing a rocky stream, this truck will get you where you need to go. It's the perfect companion for those weekend adventures. Section 8. The open road beckons driving experience and performance. So what's it like to drive? Well, get behind the wheel of the Ram 1500 and you'll be surprised by how refined it is. Despite its size, the Ram 1500 handles with surprising agility. The steering is responsive and the brakes are powerful. The ride is smooth and comfortable, even on rough roads. And that powerful V6 engine delivers plenty of grunt for overtaking and merging. It's a surprisingly refined driving experience for a truck of this size. It's no sports car, but it's no slouch either. Section 9. Fuel efficiency and the Ram 1500, a balancing act. Now let's talk fuel economy. I know what you're thinking. A big powerful truck like that must guzzle fuel like a thirsty camel. And you'd be right to a certain extent. The Ram 1500 isn't exactly a Prius, but it's not as bad as you might think. The 3.6-liter V6 engine is surprisingly efficient for its size, and the 8-speed automatic transmission helps to keep those revs down. Of course, if you're constantly towing heavy loads, you can expect to see a dip in fuel economy. But for everyday driving, the Ram 1500 is reasonably frugal. Section 10. Ram 1500 versus the world. Is it really the best? So there you have it, the Ram 1500. Big, bold, and undeniably American. It's a truck that turns heads wherever it goes. But is it the best truck in the world? That's a bold claim, and one that's sure to spark debate. There's no denying that the Ram 1500 is a seriously impressive piece of kit. It's got the looks, the power, the capability, and the luxury to rival any truck on the market. But the best, well, that's subjective. What's best for one person might not be best for another. Section 11, final verdict. The Ram 1500's reign begins. The Ram 1500 is not just another truck, it's a statement on wheels. The Ram 1500 is a game changer for the Australian ute market. With its robust build and powerful performance, it redefines what a truck can be. It's a truck that offers the perfect blend of capability, comfort, and style. Inside, you'll find a luxurious interior that rivals high-end sedans, complete with state-of-the-art technology and premium materials. It's big, it's bold, and it's not afraid to stand out from the crowd. The exterior design is both aggressive and elegant, making it a head-turner whether you're in the city or the countryside. If you're looking for a truck that can do it all, from towing your boat to conquering the outback, then the Ram 1500 should be at the top of your list. Its towing capacity is unmatched, and its off-road capabilities are second to none. It might not be the cheapest truck on the market, but you get what you pay for. The Ram 1500 offers value that goes beyond its price tag, providing a driving experience that's worth every penny. And with the Ram 1500, you're getting a lot of truck for your money. The storage options are versatile, and the rugged build ensures it can handle any terrain you throw at it. So there you have it. The Ram 1500 is not just a truck, it's a lifestyle choice. The Ram 1500, the Yank tank that's come to conquer Australia. It's a symbol of strength and reliability, bridging the gap between American engineering and Australian ruggedness, and I, for one, welcome our new pickup overlords. The Ram 1500 is here to stay, and it's set to redefine the standards of what a truck can achieve in Australia. Whether you're an adventurer, a worker, or someone who simply appreciates quality, the Ram 1500 is the truck for you. Thank you for watching our full review and comparison of the Ram 1500. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and comparisons. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. See you in the next video.